Ate Vice, ano yan?
Hi! Kung hey Pachoy! Nag-grill po tayo ng shrimp with cheese and garlic for our dinner tonight. I'm also cooking steamed lapu-lapu. I have done cooking my shabu-shabu with crabs and fish balls. Ito na tayo sa favorite part. Kung hey Pachoy! Good luck. I wish everyone very prosperous 2026. Yan. So, yan. What's that? What's that? Ano yung isda? Yung timer ko na, una pa yung mata ko. Ito na ang ating shrimp.
Sa pala ng ano.
So, that's the steamed fish. Pineapple ham, homemade sauce.